Here's how to quickly check your GPU health on Windows in under 1 minute. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Once it opens, go to the Performance tab on the left. Scroll down and look for your GPUs. If you have integrated and dedicated graphics, you'll see two sections. Select your main GPU. Here you'll see the usage percentage. This tells you how hard your GPU is working right now. High usage during gaming or video editing is normal, but high usage on the desktop could mean a background app is using resources. Check the temperature here. At idle, anything between 35 degrees Celsius and 55 degrees Celsius is perfect. Under heavy load, try to keep it under 75 to 85 degrees Celsius. You can also see your VRAM usage. If the memory is full, your system may lag or drop frames. And that's it. This fast check helps you monitor performance, overheating, and overall GPU health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.